Welcome this video. Design adapt for a smart backyard can be both challenge and reward with limited space. Whether you need to think, create about maximize even quick fit while main interest functionally and aesthetic appear. The right depth can create and invite outdoor space for relax, entertain, and even gardening. Here are some depth idea. Tell to smart backyard that blend perfect with style. Multi-level depth. While your backyard may be smart, build up can create the alone to more space multi level depth make use to various style add demo and functionally to a remote area even level such with a different purpose